guys, I'm Kevin Evangelista, and before anything else, I want to apologize for the quality of audio in this video. I know it's not the usual crisp and clean VO you're hearing from my videos all the time, but I am using a video micro for this video because I'll be moving around the room a lot. Anyway, this is my desk, and it's kind of new to you guys, but it's been a year for me already because I have recently moved to Makati. And yeah, it's not as chaotic as my old setup back at Quezon City, but I still want to change it out because I have a few problems with it. So generally, it's a comfortable setup for me because I am using a big Samsung TV as my main monitor, and this used to be an HP X2301, but I've recently changed this out to a smaller 20-inch LG like small monitor thing just because of the upgrades that I'm going to do today. My problem with this big TV is it's so heavy. It's making my desk sag. Also, I put my desk on these raisers, so it's too high. I'm not getting the 90-degree angle that you're supposed to get when you're sitting at the desk, so I'm gonna have to take these out. So my solution to all these desktop woes is to wall mount these two monitors and change out the entire ergonomics of the desk. And that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So yeah, this is going to be the first part of a multi-part series where I'm going to like redo my entire desk. So yeah, stick around and join me on my renovation adventure. So yeah, we're gonna start right now, and the first step is to get everything off the desk and remove all of the things under the desk so I can like straighten it out to combat the sag that the TV has brought over time. Alright, so this is where you can see the damage of the heavy TV comes into play. The table is sagging, and it's not even at the center because my TV wasn't in the center. It was a little bit to the left because I had to make space for the subwoofer and the second monitor. Alright, so this is where the sag is the worst, and I'm hoping that if I remove this panel, flip it over, and put the TV where the sag is, the gravity is gonna do its work and kind of correct the damage. I'm not hoping for a super correct level table, I'm just hoping that it would correct the sag. Now it's time to whip out the drill and start mounting the TV mount onto the wall and also the monitor mount. I've already done my calculations and measurements way before the table was removed, and the center line is going to be right here along this ridge. Also, I'm going to be removing these two wall hangers. These used to be for headphones, but I've already mounted my headphones to the underside of the desk. Alright, so now I have the TV mounted on the wall. The next step is to add the monitor. I'm only going to add the monitor to the right side right now because the left side I'm going to keep open. So if ever I want to add a third monitor in the future, I'll have space. Alright, so this is the desk. I'm going to have to remove the feet because it's too high for my chair. I also just added these in so I can easily unscrew them out. These are like regular coffee table feet. I only installed these because I thought my gaming chair was going to be so high that I would need a little bit of raise from the table so I can get my hands to a 90-degree angle. But that wasn't the case. The table was too high for me to get that comfortable 90-degree angle. So I'm going to remove them and see how they fit alongside the TV that's already mounted to the wall. I don't think I mentioned this before. If I did, well, I'm gonna mention it again. I'm gonna be mounting the monitor vertically That's why I got a 20-inch monitor, because my TV is around 20.3 inches tall. So this is going to be like an accessory monitor. Alright, so the monitors are mounted to the wall now. The next step is to put the actual desk on here so I can measure if the top of the desk and the bottom of the TV is going to be able to accommodate the subwoofer. So yeah, let's try that out. Well, it looks like my calculations were correct. I still have like a centimeter of like clearance between the subwoofer and the TV. Man, I'm tired. But yeah, time to test the chair next. See if I can get that 90-degree angle for my arms. Perfectly 90, that's so nice. Alright. Also, as with any other respectable battle station out there, I want this setup to look clean. And for that to happen, I have to get rid of the Samsung and the LG logo. It's not that I hate these companies, it's just that it's gonna look cleaner without those logos. So I'm gonna cover it all up with some electrical tape. That looks better already. I said earlier that I'll be removing these wall stands for the headphones, and since they're not in the way of anything right now, I decided I'll keep them. But if I ever connect another like third monitor here, I'm gonna have to remove these. Also, I don't have a replacement for these because I already cut into two of them, so it'll just look ugly having that notch in them. So yeah, I'm probably gonna keep them for now. Okay, now it's time to clean up everything and put the desk back together. It's going to be a long one, so I'm just gonna do another time lapse. And that's it. I've changed the ergonomics of my desk. I still have a bit of adjustment to make because I'm not used to having my arms at 90 degrees to my desk. But yeah, that's the better option instead of having it like dinosaur like this. Go away, Apple Update. Anyway, that's just part one of the things I'm going to be changing for my desk. I'll probably install more LED lights around the back of the TV. Probably not at the side monitors. Yeah, I'm thinking to add another one of these monitors here, just so I can have it balanced, and also extra screen space is always good. And yeah, I'll be upgrading my mic because this is kind of problematic now, but I'll be switching to like a cheaper mic, something along the lines of a BM800 or something. And this like entire thing is too bulky, especially when I'm streaming. I rarely record music now. So I'm gonna change it out for something a little more sleek and less intrusive while I'm streaming. So yeah, that's an update video for my desk. I'll include Lazada links to everything I used and bought for this project, so check them out in the description below. So yeah, like this video if you like this kind of content. Leave a comment down below if you want to see more, of course, and if you're excited to see what I'm going to change next with my desk. But for now, I think I'll be spending my time like adjusting to the new ergonomics because I'm still weirded out by the screen. I'm not used to seeing it like at this straight angle. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. I need a bath. I thought that this was gonna be like a 3-hour project at most. No, it took the entire afternoon. It's evening now. I had to turn on the lights. I need a bath.